So, I'm going to this mine, and it's in Brushy Knob. The road was very hard to find in the winter. It's better in the summer. I've been in here before, and I think it's just a small mine, but we'll see how it goes. I brought some axes and a headlamp. Let me see what we have. We use this pickaxe for now. It's not very good, but I have another one, so we're okay. Now, like I say, I think this is only a small mine. I'm looking for the mine that has a wall that you can break through. I want to break through that wall, and it says you need a better axe. So I thought it was this one. So we'll have a look, see if it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one here. Well, let's see what's in here. Night crawlers. I do need night crawlers. And a couple more arrows. And battery would... Oh, a couple batteries are good. We'll leave the rest there. Just in case. So... Oh, well that was easy. I thought you had to... Wow, what's this? I'm glad I broke that down. Wow. Oh, really? Oh, gotta pick this lock. I hope I can carry this trunk coat. Oh, come on. Usually you don't have this much trouble. Oh, it must be a hard one. There we go. Rifle parts, an MRE, and some... And I can move that. Fantastic, I need those. Time I... Well, that's locked too. I do not need any more Lone Stars. Oh, there's another one. Very tough lock. Let's see. Come on, baby. Ah, and you can do it. Sometimes it's just the swing, you know? Oh my, I'm sorry about this. Usually it doesn't take this long. Well, I have like 200 lock picks back at the base. I only bring 25 along with me. What is wrong with this? Must be frozen. Come on. You can do it. Wow. I've never had this much trouble with a lock in age. This must be something really good in here. Well, you know what? I'm gonna leave it alone for now. See what else is in here. A medical splint. Oh, parafiber. Parafiber. Oh, another lock. Another tough one. They're really tough ones. Really? They are really being rough on me today. There we go. A grenade. Well, I have so many of those, I'm not even gonna bother with it. Last time I used grenades, I blew my arms off. I was far enough away, but apparently not far enough. Oh, there you go. A 9mm. Well, we can always use that. What's in here? Medical splint. Well, we'll take that. Water, and we have a weapon case. Let's see. If I had known all these were in here, I would have brought extra lockpicks. Must be a place to get rid of your lockpick. Oh, this is annoying. I'm gonna have to edit this out because it's just. Let me come back to you. Okay. I opened them. I haven't looked in them yet. Okay, bag them round, and we're leaving the Viper there. MRE, fiber, and a bandage. Well, for all the fix I lost, that was quite sad. I gotta take both of these out. And, oh, I gotta remove everything, right. No, I guess. So, I'll move these out to the truck, and then we'll continue our search. How's that sound? Be back in a few. Well, I got those in there. And so we'll try this again. We'll see what else is in this mine. I'm not really interested in a whole lot of ore. I have plenty. I have the mine underneath the mill, so I'm mainly just exploring what's down here. So we'll go back into where we left off. I don't know. Oh, there seems to be another case there. Oh, and there's bodies. Oh, another tough lock. I'm sorry. Really tough. I don't know what they must have changed. Lord. I must have changed the code on the locks because I never had this much problem before. Well, since I hit 100. Okay. Oh, this is not bad. Barbed wire, 9mm. That's good. Let's destroy these bodies. There's one of these in here, and you. It's not connected. I could turn it on, but I don't see anything I would want to do back here. I would love to take that tent back. Well, this stuff here is shallow pipe, right? And this is hematite. It goes through a lot of the hematite. It's used to make an iron. And this is your limestone. Sandstone. Yeah, sandstone. Well, I think that this was all that was in this mine. I'm glad I got through that wall. That was fun. I wasn't sure. That's the way out. I just want to go down this one here. See where this goes. I think this just goes out as... Oh! Another bag. Oh no. Okay, that goes back in there. I got turned around. So that's out. Okay, yeah. For some reason it's... I think. Anyway, this was the mine on Brushy Hill, I think. So we're going to do a few mines, and we'll go to another mine and get there, and then I'll see you there. Okay, I started off to another mine, but I realized everything's frozen. I have lost 2 bodies in the mine. Now, I know I can get to the mines through here because I came out through here one day. I'm just wondering if the rest of the water is frozen. Okay. And find my body, maybe. It's hard to see. I wonder if I have the headlamp on. Turn that on. Nothing really there I want. Oh, you always gotta keep those. I hate it when it snows in the mine. I think this is where I went. If it's wet, we're out of here. Because I'm frozen. I have no idea which way I went because I went underwater. Went this way. Oh. Better grab something. What do we have? Okay. Hello? I don't suppose you have a map? I hate the mines. Hello? I maybe shouldn't have done this. Because I have no idea where I'm at. Oops. And if I get lost, that'll be body number 3 down here. But it is where I keep losing my raincoats. Pain. It's snowing down in the mine. At least I'm warm. That's good. Now I have no idea where I'm at. Hello? Do you know, haven't seen my body, have you? Guy up there. Hello? Sorry. Okay, this is turning out to be a longer... Oh, waterproof headlamp. Yeah, we need those. That's what happened the last time. I went underwater and... everything went dark. And I couldn't find my way out. I did manage to get out of the water. And I got to a dry spot. Found a little hole that you could see out. But there was no way of me, I couldn't figure out how to get out. I had to take a death. I couldn't figure it out. How to get out of there. I couldn't see. I mean, it was pitch black. It was like this. And that, you just can't do anything with that. Ah, the snow is annoying. Ah, stop snowing. Okay, this, I left notes to myself. So this is, if I read the note, it probably says turn right to get out. Okay, so that means, I wish I could see. I'm close to my base, which isn't what we want it to do, because my truck is now out on the road. I can't see. I guess that's what they're doing it on purpose, so that I can't see. And I can't see. When it's not snowing, I can see. Aha, here we go. This should be the way out. Or, this is to the... Oh. Yep, this is my way out. This will take me back to my base. Come on, up, 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 up. There you go. This is the way into my base from the mine up through the basement. I don't know if I took you down here or not. I put barricades up just in case. Just in case we have zombies deciding that they're gonna visit me. And we are in the store. Well, that was my exploration for today. I will try to fix it up so that it runs smoothly and maybe do some more exploring with you. But I hope you enjoyed that. We're back safe. I have to go find my truck. Oh well, that's life. Granny YaYa out. Well, as I promised, we're at Rook's Cavern. This will be the last mine that we go explorer today. I can't remember it as well, but we'll go in and see what kind of trouble we can get into. And I better turn my headlamp on. Yeah, right. Make sure I can swing that. I've been here, as you can tell. I'm hoping it's a little bigger than the last one. I tend to stay to my right when I'm going in. Cream of chicken soup, batteries, bandages, fishing line, lighter. There's really nothing there that... And ore bag has nothing in it. More mushrooms. This one looks different. Ah, looks different and it's not showing up. Okay. Oh no. Another mine with nothing in it. Anyway. Ah. Well, so much for our exploring caves. There's really nothing. I picked all the easy ones, I guess. And I think this is going to take us back out again. It did. Well, I think that I'm done exploring for the day. I hope you got to see those caves, see what was in them, see if you would like to go explore them. I'm sure they're much better in the summer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. And we'll see you soon. Granny YaYa out.